Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for some exciting news from the Calirado Kid channel. I have officially installed a studio shed in my backyard. What's a studio shed, you ask? That's a great question. A studio shed is basically an outdoor office, fully customizable, and in this case, it's gonna act as my office/production facility. The Calirado Kid Production Facility. Okay, it's not a very catchy name, so I might need your help to come up with an actual good name for this. I mean, BKXC has the Nugatorium. What are we gonna call this damn thing? The Unsubscribatorium? No, but look, I'm here to tell you I'm really excited about this. I have yet to build it out. It's not fully complete, but we're getting close. Electrical is fully installed and operational. We've got a split system put in for air conditioning and some other things, but I digress. Let me just show you. Let me get the camera over here and I'm gonna show you what's going on. I'm super stoked. This is gonna be a blast.
Okay, so the question is, why go with a studio shed or an outdoor office instead of just buying a new house or expanding the home? Well, here's the thing. The price of the housing market has gone absolutely bonkers in California in 2021. Not to mention, the price of a home addition is just honestly a little bit more than we wanted to spend at the moment. So that got us looking for alternatives, and the alternatives were a backyard office/shed. So I started doing research. And there is a lot of great companies out there, but what I wanted was something that looked slick and was also very modern in design. So I actually happened upon Costco looking for sheds, and I found a company called Studio Shed. So once I found this, I went to their website and saw the stuff they were making, and it is very cool, very slick, very elegant, and basically exactly what I was looking for. So I was able to order the Pagoda model of Studio Shed through Costco, basically turnkey, including installation. Now, once the shed was ordered, you have about a 6 to 8 week lead time with Studio Shed. And then they work with local contractors to get the thing set up, which was awesome because I'm super busy with work and everything else that it was so nice to be able to just have it turnkey and have them come in and set it up. Now, there are a couple options that I had added on here, including electrical because I wanted outlets inside, I wanted lighting, and I wanted a couple other odds and ends that I needed to build this into a fully functional studio. So in about 3 days, the local contractor really had the frame up. At this point, it's all fine tuning. So running electrical to the lights outside, bringing electrical over from the main panel. And I also had a Cat 6 run over from the main house so I could have hardwired internet inside of there. Drywall insulation. We got a wood panel ceiling here that's gonna have dimmable LEDs. And there's the Cat 6 that we had run from the main building again so I can have hardwired internet. I'm gonna wire that to a switch and that'll give me fast internet when I'm trying to live stream or upload videos to YouTube. You can see here, fully insulated, and you can see here there's a few finishing touches that need to happen. I mean, the floor still needs to go in, the drywall needs to be finished, but these guys were rocking and rolling. We're talking 1 week, maybe a week and a half for all this to happen. Now, the next crucial part of this installation was the split system. Now, this is gonna handle the air conditioning and the heating in the studio, and it's an absolute must when it's 110 degrees out in Sacramento. And with that, I give you the Pagoda model from Studio Shed. I can't tell you how stoked I am for this thing. It came out fantastic. I love the look of the exterior. I love the green door that I picked. And you can see here, the ceiling is in, the drywall's in, the flooring is in. Everything is ready to mold into what I need it to be for a full-on studio. So what needs to happen next? I need to get the speakers mounted on the wall. I need to get the TV up. I've already tested the network from the house and it's blazing fast. But one very, very, very important thing needs to happen once I start getting everything into this shed.
Soundproofing! Soundproofing! Soundproofing!
Well, what can I say? Overall, super excited about this build, and I can't wait to start getting stuff inside.
So there you have it, the Calirado Kid Production Facility. Okay, that's not a very good name, and I'm probably gonna need your help to name it, but for now, I'm just telling you the bare bones are in and almost ready to rock and roll. So follow along. The next video you see on this will probably be me getting the desk in, getting the speakers mounted, getting the soundproofing in, and doing all the things that I need to do to make this thing fully functional. So stay tuned, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. All right.